If you want to add a photo to a contact on POCO M8, first we're gonna go to the phone app. On the home page, you can tap on View Contacts in here at the top on the right side, or you can tap on these three lines in the upper left corner and go to Contacts by tapping on the Contacts option in here. Now we're gonna choose the contact for which we want to set an image or an avatar. Use this pen icon in the upper right corner to edit the contact. Here we have the picture and calling card section, so we're gonna tap on the current picture that we have in here. And now you can either open the camera in order to take a photo right now. You can open the gallery to choose a photo from your gallery. You can also open Google Photos. We also have monogram and illustrations. In my case, I'm just gonna open the gallery, and then of course we can choose the image that we want to set for that contact. We can still zoom in and zoom out in order to adjust the photo a little bit. We can move it around, and once you set it up, oh, and by the way, you can also rotate the photo in case you need to do so. We can tap on Choose at the bottom, then Save in the upper right corner, and that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.